Hi again, Pierre in the garage. Today's project, I needed to fix the grandson's toys. His warriors have, flexible arms, and they need to be, like held with rivets. The forearm with the upper arm part, and some rivets were just like pulled out and impossible to put back in there. So had to make the rivets because they. Once they're opened up and they can't be reworked. So for this, I'm going to be making some kind of a mold. Mold. Yeah, you can call them mold. It's at 2 halves, similar. Drill in the middle, kept registered with dowel pins, and the aluminum I'm using is from. Shingle nails. They're aluminum nails, so we're just like we'd be using this to make these kinds of little rivets that we install with that leather working riveting tool. So to achieve this, we'll go on the milling machine, and it's a milling project. I'm now in the process of finishing my little blocks. This is 4140. It's not a nail, it's hardened. So Rockwell C about in the vicinity of 30. It's pretty hard. You might have a little bit of trouble working this out with high-speed steel. One important thing when you try to squeeze that in the vise is the surfaces are really getting shiny and glossy. And in this hardness range, they'll tend to slip on the hardened jaws, so I put a little piece of paper there to kind of alleviate that problem, but you got to be careful. Okay, let's go for it. Turning about 1200. I think it's a 2 inches head on this, and we're going to be taking about 15 thousandths just to clean up the surface. And like I say, I'm using a little piece of paper just to give it some catch a little bit. And I'm not moving the height, so I get 2 pretty well matched boxes for what I do. This is crusty surface. Okay. And the surface on this, it's pretty glossy. These hardenable materials do give off nice finishes. I'll be needing those 2 parts to register, and what I'm going to do is make holes. Oops, sorry, you don't see too much. Gonna make little holes there, put some dowel pins in the holes. That will connect the two blocks, the register, and after that I'll make some kind of a hole there, and I'll show you my technique to kind of squeeze the pin inside. Now we'll go for the holes, and I'll show you as we go. Always setting this up in the middle. I just installed a stubby drill. That's what I'm using to just start the hole. We'll be running about I don't know, 900 RPMs. This is not a critical part as far as measurements are concerned, like centering. And check how I'm gonna do this. I hear a little ka-chuk-ka-chuk. 0 the X. Go on the other side. Touch again. we're touching 1.534. It's 1.78, 1.78, 780, no, 65. Sorry. So it's points. Okay, 1.534 is 0.760. Let's say 67. Okay, this is the center of my part. Looks good. We zeroed this. Hey, one inch, 62,000 is going to be 0.531. That's will be centered. It's okay. We're in the center of the part. What I want to do now is give me enough room on each side, like 3/8. Let's say 375 on each side. Center hole. 375 on the other side. Centering. Let me get some oil. Okay, that should do it. Yeah, parallels are decently tight, and we'll make a finish hole before 1/4 inch. There we go. This is 1564. It's a 64 under 1/4 inch. There we go. Going right through. We're down. For this hole, we're gonna go with reamer. That is 1/4 inch. Let's get the machine down. Yes, this is good. Now slowing this down, because in such hard stuff you really want to go slow, and you're making it so it goes about a few thousandths per revolution, because the only thing that's cutting on the reamer is the front end. So you want this to cut nice and slow, otherwise you don't get too nice a finish in there, and dimensions are really like screwed up. I'm running about 80 RPM. So I'm gonna speed it up to about 120, and I'm feeding very slowly on it. We'll come back when it's finished. I don't think you want to fall asleep on this thing. That's true. One of the best way to get a reamer out and the least damage, stop the machine, just let it come out, and that's it. I'll see if this gets in. This is not bad at all. A nice slip fit. There we go. Now to make the other side, we'll get this inside there and use this as a reference. 375 on the other side. So we're doing the same thing on the other side too. Hope this is showing pretty good. This is the ream holes. If you get something like looks that good, it's you're doing something right. That's going slow and pulling out with no revolution.